Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Highrich Crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in highrichcryptotrading.com and click on Enter. After that, you will be directed to official homepage of Highrich Crypto. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see Login button. Click on it. After that, a login page will appear where you need to type in your username and password associated with your Highrich Crypto account. After typing in your information, you can click on Login button to log into your Highrich Crypto account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forget Password link and follow the procedures to recover it. If you do not have account or want to create a new account, you can click on Register link and follow the procedures. So that is how you can log into your Highrich Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.